What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are actually playing the new update, so this is my first time for us playing this update, and let's see how much we got for 3 of those crystals. I've actually been there one time, but it was only because yeah, so 2,000, we got 2,000 from 3, so we gotta get more. Here's a new one. You need a ball for it though.
Yeah, I done it.
I don't like doing these glitches, but to make it faster, I'm doing it. Come on. So we're supposed to jump down right here. Whee! 1, 2. I didn't really get down here. I just died and someone helped me take my stuff. And then they put some crystals in my bag. So I didn't get to really play this, but I know what we're gonna do. Wow. What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to hide from them, bro? Yeah, I saw that. They're on these things. Woo! I'm targeted. I'm dead. Are you more cooked? Yeah, I'm dead now. Oh, that was you. I thought that was me. I thought it was me. I'm like, I'm cooked, bro. Okay, I'm going into the heart. I think this was the exit. If I die, I'll just take my backpack. Oh no, I didn't die. Okay, I got plenty of crystals. We got plenty of that. Let's see how many we got. I'm just gonna float them up here. I got, holy shit. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But that's literally the same almost. Yeah, come back. It looks like a heart. Okay, let's see how many I can fit in here. I can't even move.
I got 7.
You got 7? Ah! My backpack.
Oh shit, I thought, oh shit.
Bro, how are they flying away?
Cause you're getting them when the bag is upside down.
The backpack was not upside down. What were you yapping about? I can even replay it, bro. Are you good at counting? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We got 24. Damn. And my backpack is not even full yet. Let's see how much money you get from 24. You get, I'm not gonna sell my bag, I'm just gonna put them in here. There we go. Wait, hey. Hey, chill. I'm still in here, and everything is not in. Now, sell it. Let's see how much we get for 24. Let's see. 24. For 24, you get...
God damn.
15,000 for like 15,000 almost. That's pretty good. That is really good.
Yeah, I remember a full bag of blue crystals. How much? Like, is it? Like 10K?
Yeah, I think there were 10k,
Yeah.
10k for 24. I don't know. I got no more. Thank you guys for watching.
Somebody get me to a D's. Ain't got time for the birds and bees. Making money over